So, just following on from this video, I've decided to change my mind. Instead of putting the keyway that way, I put it the other way. And what I'm going to do is, these are an escutcheon. I can't remember, like a talon or something. And these are hardened. So what I thought I'd do with this plate is, I've just lined up the lock. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to recess that into it. So when I put that to the safe, what should happen is that should actually turn around. Now I can weld it in spot, but I thought that would be another nice little trick, that when the lock's underneath here, if I use this escutcheon, that you could actually turn it around. And this is hardened as well. So I'm just going to use this mill cutter. This is 19 mil, but I've got a 20 mil which will give me half a mil radius for this to actually turn. So I'm literally going to just sink that into it and then weld on the lock. So I just changed my mind. So it doesn't really matter that there's a bit of extra material removed there, but that's what I'm going to do now.